Greetings, fellow researchers. This is Joselita Empaquita, SDO Cavite Province, here to present to you my research. DepEd has been doing significant ways to update and inform the public school teachers about the importance of doing research. But many teachers in both elementary and secondary schools were uninterested and demotivated due to factors like tight teaching timetable and heavy teaching workload. On this premise, a study was carried out to assess the research competence and attitudes of public junior high school teachers in Tres Martires City. Research capability of teachers are being measured through the studies that they have completed, meaning the more studies teachers have completed, the more capable they become in engaging in this rigorous endeavor. In this phase, the study utilized qualitative descriptive design. Respondents were randomly selected according to the cluster, and mean was used to rank their perceptions regarding competence and attitudes towards making research. Data were analyzed using descriptive and frequency count and percentile ranking to present data. And most of all, results gathered were the basis for drafting a school-based research virtual capability building program. The research tool used. As for the findings in the teacher's profile, results show female as the highest in number. In terms of year of service, it shows that the highest number was garnered by those new to almost new in service or those in 1 to 5 years with 50%. In terms of age, for respondents with 47% or those in age 20 to 25 as the highest in number, it suggests that while a teacher is still new in service, the passion and drive to conduct research is dominant. In terms of subject and grade level taught, it showed a 4.5% in grade 10 followed by a distinct 4.3% in grade 8 level. In terms of highest educational attainment, it showed that the largest number of respondents are those who are enrolled and ongoing with their masteral studies with 70%, followed by a good number of 17% of those who already finished their masteral degree. In this table, the statements I have access to internet, books, and sample action research. We have a culture of action research in our school. I have resource persons to refer to and will provide me professional assistance to conduct action research. And I have enough resources to finance this undertaking, garnered the same rank 1 and mean of 9.33, suggesting that teachers have high confidence as to access to internet, samples of conducted action research, and embraces the research culture in their respective schools. But the ability to conduct research study every year and to actually finish it came out as a challenge for teachers. In this table of findings, contrastingly highlights the lack of support from the school to make research as reflected by a mean of 11 rank 1. Results reveal that teachers were slightly capable of conducting research, but also show an evidence of potential in mentoring and are very capable of action planning. Research inspires personal growth and development in individuals and groups. Teachers are able to bring their expertise to their classroom and by actively sharing the knowledge they have gained through research. That's why there is a need to build a professional community for researchers in the district of Tres Martires. The main takeaway, research competence and attitudes towards making research can be determined and predicted by how motivated teachers are to write research, how productive they are, and how young they were when they first engaged in this rigorous endeavor. Recommendations. There's a need to establish a professional learning community for researcher teachers and strengthen research capability building program as included or can be included in the SIP, comparative research, dashboard monitoring.